Are you looking for a diet to lose weight in a month? Does it seem like everything you tried just doesn't seem to work? Well, the truth is weight loss is a very mysterious process. There are many factors when it comes to a diet to lose weight in a month. It can all depend on your height, weight, age, and even gender. It would probably be easier for a heavier person than a light person. However, there are some universal solutions to all these different problems on a diet to lose weight in a month. Those are exercise and nutrition. How to diet to lose weight in a month. In order for you to lose 1 pound, you need to burn 3,500 calories. So let's you want to lose 30 pounds in 30 days, you would have to lose 1 pound a day in order to lose those 30 pounds in 30 days. So, that means you would need to burn 3,500 calories each day. Well, how would I do this? Exercise. Well, one way to ensure a good diet to lose weight in a month is by consistent exercise. What I mean by consistent is every day or every 2 days. However, you want it as long as you remain on the schedule and don't skip out on days. Because, a lot of times what people will do is skip a day, then eventually skip 2 days, then a week, and probably never go back after that. Don't let that be you. Make yourself a schedule and follow that schedule every day, and you will be successful at your diet to lose weight in a month. Nutrition. Another way to ensure a good diet to lose weight in a month is by good nutrition. Does that mean I have to eat vegetables all the time? Not necessarily. You don't need to be on an all-greens diet to have good nutrition. Good nutrition is just eating the right amount of everything. An example of this: a turkey sandwich. In order for it to be good, you need to have the right amount of every ingredient. The same could be said for your daily food intake. Eating the right portion of whatever you eat and no just stuffing your face will definitely help. Things to always keep in mind for a good diet to lose weight in a month. Weight loss depends on the person. Consistent exercise is the key. Small portions of food is the way to God. Make a schedule and always follow it. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Follow our YouTube channel and Instagram channel.